Founded over 70 years ago, Simonton Windows has grown to become a leading manufacturer of new construction and replacement windows across the United States. As part of the Ply Gem family, Simonton's product portfolio includes a full lineup of entry and interior doors, as well as a number of window-style options. Simonton manufactures all of its window and door products in-house, with its most popular series of windows including 5050, 5500, 6100, and 6500 series of windows. Simonton windows are available primarily in vinyl. Simonton offers 10 primary styles of windows: awning, casement, double hung, single hung, slider, bay, bow, picture, garden, and geometric windows. The company offers a double lifetime limited warranty on their various series of windows, labor costs not included. Simonton Windows Reviews maintain an average score of 88% across several online review sites. This equates to a 4.4 out of 5-star rating on average, which is very good. In addition, the company currently maintains an A rating with the Better Business Bureau. Recent customers have most cited high-quality products and affordable prices as the primary reasons for choosing Simonton Windows for their window replacement project. From a pricing perspective, Simonton Windows has a reputation for manufacturing good quality windows at an attractive price point. In comparison, Simonton Windows prices would rank right around the median price for average replacement windows. For more replacement window reviews and detailed pricing information on the leading window brands, please visit us at proreplacementwindows.com today.